Hello, in front of me I've got iCar Pro 2S OBD interface. In this video I'll show you unboxing of this device. In the beginning, take a look at the original box. Here we've got QR code for app to download and upgrade your device. Let's open the box. And firstly you can see start guide in English. Here we've got third-party app operating guide. And in the end we can find OBD interface. Let's check if there's anything else in the box. Nope, that's it. Take a look at the manual and let's see what this device is capable. Firstly, you can find characteristic: auto sleep and wake up wirelessly, more third-party apps, sleep current is as low as 3 mAh, automatic wake up with EV, HEV, PHEV, Android and iOS, up to 208 group path block and flow control filters, baud rate 3 Mbps and 3 firmware updates. Next we can find tutorial, how to use the device, how to connect it, and that's basically it. Take a look at the firmware update tutorial. Here we can find QR codes for apps that this device supports. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.